Tests are frequently used as part of your evaluation in online courses. Instructors have a lot of flexibility when setting up online tests. They can use different types of questions, they can limit the amount of time allotted, they can have grades released immediately or held until everyone is done. They can even change the order of the questions for each student. Let's take a Blackboard test. We've just entered our course and there is an announcement stating that a test is available. Note that instructors can also announce tests from inside course content and place tests in various locations in the course. In this example, we'll follow the instructions and select Quiz from the course menu. Now we need to read the instructions and then select the test link. Next, we're presented with more instructions. Instructions may vary with each test, so it's important that you read them carefully. This particular test is timed for 1 hour and will automatically be submitted after the hour if it is not completed sooner. It must be completed in one sitting and only one attempt is allowed. Be aware that the instructor is shown the total time you spend on a test. For example, a test that is completed over a 2-day period will appear as a test that took 48 hours to complete. Let's select Begin. We need to read the final instructions, some of which may be redundant. The remaining time is displayed during the test, and there will be warnings at specific intervals during this hour-long test, down to a final 30-second warning. Now we're ready to answer our first question. Now that we've answered it, we won't be able to change the answer after moving on to the next question. Also, the green check mark indicates that the response has been saved. Let's select the arrow to proceed to the next question. Now we're going to fast forward to the last question and answer it. We now have a button to save and submit the test. Let's do that and then click OK to confirm. We are presented with information about the completed test. Since the grade is available, we'll click on OK to review the results. We can review the questions and the responses. We will not be able to view this screen if the grades have not been released. However, we will be able to see the grade after its release by selecting My Grades from the course menu. Here are some tips for taking online tests. As there is always a possibility of a technical problem, don't wait until the last minute to take a test. Make sure you have all of your materials at the ready before you start an online test. Try to use the best internet connection you can find. A wired connection is preferable to a wireless one. Don't refresh pages. Don't close windows. Don't use the back button when you're taking a test. These actions may interfere with your test getting correctly processed. And of course, you need to follow all directions. Finally, you should contact your instructor as soon as possible if you encounter any problems. Good luck on your next online test, and thank you for watching this video.